to the shores of Lake Ontario and Cobourg's robust downtown, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is one you're not going to want to miss. Perfect for those looking to downsize, get into the market, or a place maintenance-free. Come on in, let's go have a look around. As you enter, you're greeted by the cozy living space and abundance of natural light thanks to the southern exposure. The upper level has 2 great-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bath. A great feature is the in-suite laundry.